Meaning of entwine.
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 Entwine. Entwine refers to the action of intertwining or weaving two or more things together. The result of entwining is the creation of a strong and inseparable bond between the things being intertwined, as they become intimately connected and interdependent. This bond can be physical, such as the twisting of vines around a trellis, or metaphorical, such as the intertwining of two people's lives through marriage. Overall, the act of entwining is a powerful symbol of unity and mutual support, often representing the unbreakable nature of interpersonal relationships.